Did you know that more than 80% of women spend millions of dong every month on skincare products? While the secret to smooth, radiant, and healthy skin might actually be growing right in their backyard, there's a humble leafy vegetable most people only use for soup, yet it's packed with vitamins and minerals that can rejuvenate the skin, fight inflammation, deeply hydrate, and slow down natural aging. That miracle ingredient is Malabar spinach. When combined with one simple ingredient, it becomes a powerful natural face mask. A simple gift from nature that few truly understand the real value of. In today's video, I'll share with you a beauty formula made from Malabar spinach, simple, safe, yet so effective that many say it even outperforms expensive cosmetics. And don't click away too soon, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal in detail who should avoid this recipe and important notes to ensure your skin stays beautiful, safe, and long-lasting. If you truly care about natural beauty, free of chemicals and unnecessary spending, stay with me until the end of this video, because sometimes, just a handful of humble Malabar spinach leaves could be the first step toward naturally glowing, healthy, youthful skin. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to Live Well Every Day, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest videos about healthy living, natural beauty, and inner peace. Dear friends, before we dive into today's main topic, let me first explain a little about why this seemingly simple vegetable can make your skin brighter, smoother, and stronger. Malabar spinach isn't just a rustic soup vegetable on our daily table. Inside each vibrant green leaf lies a true treasure of natural nutrients. In just 100 grams, it contains essential vitamins like A, C, and E along with valuable minerals such as iron, zinc, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. Together, these nutrients create a strong foundation for good health and youthful, glowing skin. Vitamin A helps the skin regenerate faster, like giving your skin a brand new layer, keeping it soft and smooth. Vitamin C boosts natural collagen production, those fibers under your skin that make it firm and elastic, preventing sagging. It also lightens dark spots, fades pigmentation, and helps your complexion glow naturally. Meanwhile, vitamin E acts as a protective barrier, locking in moisture, preventing dryness, and shielding the skin from sunlight and pollution every day. Besides vitamins, Malabar spinach is also rich in iron and zinc. Iron helps improve blood circulation, giving the skin a natural rosy glow and healthy radiance. Zinc, on the other hand, has strong anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce acne, soothe irritated skin, and calm redness. What's particularly interesting is that Malabar spinach contains a natural mucilage layer that's slightly thick, slippery texture you notice when it's cooked. This mucilage helps cool the body internally, and when applied to the skin, it works as a natural moisturizer, hydrating the skin, reducing dryness, and tightening pores effectively. What's fascinating is that Malabar spinach doesn't just enhance your outer beauty, it also purifies your body from the inside. The vegetable has cooling properties, helping to detoxify the liver, balance body heat, and support digestion. When your body is cool and your liver is rested, your skin naturally becomes clearer and less prone to acne. So when people call Malabar spinach a miracle herb for the skin, they're not exaggerating. It truly nourishes your beauty from the inside out. As you can see, this humble vegetable from your backyard holds incredible natural skincare power. Once you understand its full value, you'll feel more confident and assured using Malabar spinach as part of your skincare routine. Now, let's get started, my friends. To create this natural beauty formula, the first ingredient you'll need is a handful of fresh Malabar spinach leaves. Choose tender, deep green leaves that still have a glossy surface. Wash them thoroughly in diluted salt water to remove dirt and pesticide residue. Drain well, then crush or blend them into a smooth paste. This will form the base of your mask, providing an abundant source of nutrients every skin type can benefit from. As mentioned earlier, Malabar spinach is packed with vitamins A, C and E as well as essential minerals such as iron, zinc, calcium, and magnesium. Each of these nutrients plays a unique role, but together, they form a natural, skin defense wall, strengthening the skin from its deepest layers to the surface. Vitamin A accelerates the renewal of skin cells, replacing old, rough layers with fresh, smooth ones. This results in softer, more even skin and visibly reduces dryness or flakiness. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent premature aging, brightens the complexion, and stimulates collagen production, the key protein that keeps skin firm, elastic, and youthful. When your body has enough vitamin C, your skin not only looks more radiant but also becomes more resistant to sunlight and environmental pollutants. Vitamin E is the best friend of dry and sensitive skin. It deeply moisturizes, soothes irritation, prevents aging, and protects cells from external damage caused by UV rays, dust, and smoke. Thanks to vitamin E, the skin feels softer, smoother, and more supple, with fewer signs of dryness or cracking. Moreover, the natural mucilage in Malabar spinach, that slippery gel-like layer you see when it's cooked, is the hidden secret to deep hydration and instant soothing. When applied as a face mask, it creates a cool, calming sensation that helps the skin breathe, leaving it refreshed, plump, and silky smooth after just one use. In short, Malabar spinach is truly the perfect natural moisturizer for every skin type, whether dry, sensitive, or oily. It delivers optimal hydration, vitamins, and minerals to keep the skin healthy, glowing, and youthful. That's why Malabar spinach is often called the green gem of nature, a simple yet powerful gift that nature has given to Vietnamese beauty. The first ingredient is 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Honey isn't just a valuable food for health, it's also known as a miracle elixir for the skin. It contains over 180 beneficial compounds, including the enzyme glucose oxidase, which has strong antibacterial properties and helps deeply cleanse pores. Honey is also rich in vitamin B, vitamin C and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and zinc all of which help strengthen the skin, reduce inflammation, and speed up recovery after damage. Most importantly, honey has the ability to draw moisture from the air and lock it into your skin, keeping it soft and hydrated without feeling tight or dry after washing. When combined with Malabar spinach, honey enhances antibacterial effects, reduces acne, and soothes sensitive or darkened areas of the skin. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt. This is a highly effective ingredient for nourishing and restoring the skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural form of AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, that gently exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving the surface brighter and smoother. Lactic acid also helps balance the skin's pH, prevents acne-causing bacteria, and strengthens the skin's natural barrier. Additionally, yogurt provides protein, calcium, and zinc nutrients that help soften the skin, improve elasticity, and support new cell regeneration. When mixed with honey and Malabar spinach, yogurt helps blend all the ingredients smoothly, creating a creamy texture that spreads easily and absorbs deeply into the skin. The final ingredient is a quarter teaspoon of pure turmeric powder. This is the highlight of the entire formula. Turmeric powder contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin helps calm inflamed acne, reduce redness, fade dark spots, and prevent the overproduction of melanin, resulting in naturally brighter skin over time. Not only that, curcumin also stimulates collagen production, keeping your skin elastic, firm, and youthful. When combined with yogurt and honey, curcumin becomes more easily absorbed, reduces the risk of yellow stains on the skin, and delivers its brightening and balancing effects to the fullest. When these *4 ingredients, Malabar spinach, honey, yogurt, and turmeric powder, ***, come together, they create an *exceptional synergy for your skin. Malabar spinach brings a cooling and soothing sensation, deeply hydrating the skin, reducing dryness, and calming irritation or redness. Honey acts as a natural antibacterial agent, cleansing the skin, preventing breakouts, and keeping it soft and supple. Unsweetened yogurt provides gentle exfoliation through its mild lactic acid, brightening and evening the complexion for a smoother finish. And turmeric powder serves as the heart of the recipe, rich in curcumin to reduce dark spots, regenerate skin cells, and slow down premature aging. Together, these 4 ingredients complement each other perfectly, forming a natural skincare shield that keeps your skin clean, bright, and healthy. Your complexion will feel soothed, nourished from within, and gradually become softer, more radiant, and full of life. The method is incredibly simple. All you need to do is mix Malabar spinach, honey, yogurt, and turmeric powder until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Cleanse your face thoroughly with warm water to open up the pores. Then gently apply the mixture all over your face. Relax for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with cool water to tighten the pores and give your skin a natural glow. The first feeling you'll notice is a cool, soft, and soothing sensation, as if your skin is instantly hydrated and calmed. After about 2 to 3 weeks of regular use, you'll begin to see brighter, more even-toned skin and a clear reduction in acne. This mask should be used 2 to 3 times per week, ideally in the evening when your skin is resting and can best absorb nutrients. For sensitive skin, test a small area on your wrist before applying it to your face to avoid irritation. If you have dry skin, add an extra half spoon of honey for more moisture. For oily skin, reduce the amount of yogurt to prevent clogged pores. If you have open wounds, avoid applying the mask to prevent infection, and never go out in the sun immediately afterward, since your skin will be soft and more sensitive to sunlight. And remember, always use sunscreen daily, even when you're indoors. If applied correctly and consistently, this natural mask will help your skin become brighter, smoother, and stronger from within. No need for expensive cosmetics. Because true beauty doesn't come from complexity or cost, but from understanding your body, respecting it, and nourishing it with the purest gifts from nature. Just like that humble handful of Malabar spinach in your home garden. Dear friends, Malabar spinach doesn't just beautify the skin from the outside, it also helps cleanse, cool, and detoxify the body from within, reducing acne naturally, something not everyone realizes. According to Eastern medicine, acne isn't merely caused by dust or skincare products, in most cases. It originates from within the body, when the liver and kidneys become overworked and can't eliminate toxins efficiently. Those toxins are pushed outward through the skin. Acne, redness, and excess oil are signals, the body's way of crying for help. And Malabar spinach happens to be one of the most effective natural rescuers for this condition. Malabar spinach has a cool nature and a mildly sweet taste, helping to clear heat, purify the blood, and detoxify the system. Once inside the body, its active compounds help reduce the liver's filtering burden, encouraging toxins to exit through digestion rather than through the skin. By simply enjoying a bowl of Malabar spinach soup a few times a week, you'll notice a lighter body, clearer complexion, and fewer breakouts. Many people with chin acne, back acne, or small hidden pimples have seen remarkable improvement after consistently including this vegetable in their meals. It's also rich in soluble fiber, which cleanses the intestines and promotes smooth digestion. A healthy gut means more efficient toxin elimination, no internal blockages that lead to skin flare-ups. That's why people who eat plenty of greens, especially Malabar spinach, often have naturally bright and smooth skin. Furthermore, Malabar spinach contains abundant vitamin C and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the culprits behind inflammation, dullness, and hormonal acne. When your body gets enough natural vitamin C, your liver works better. Internal heat decreases, and your skin's resistance improves. At the same time, vitamin E and zinc in Malabar spinach promote skin recovery, soothe inflamed pimples, fade dark spots, and help the skin return to a balanced, healthy state. What's most valuable is that, unlike acne creams or medications that only treat surface symptoms, Malabar spinach works from the root, by restoring internal balance. When the body is cooled, the blood is cleansed, and the organs function harmoniously, your skin naturally becomes radiant without needing harsh external treatments. This is truly a quiet yet lasting form of beauty care, one that not only clears acne but also brings lightness to the body and calm to the mind. If you want to use Malabar spinach to help cool the body and reduce acne from within, there are a few simple ways to do it. You can make Malabar spinach soup with dried shrimp or cook it with sponge gourd, and enjoy it 2 to 3 times a week. For those who prefer juice, you can blend Malabar spinach leaves with a pinch of salt or a few drops of lemon juice. Strain it, and drink it as a refreshing detox for the liver. However, remember to drink only a small amount and avoid drinking it cold, since Malabar spinach has cooling properties. Consuming too much or drinking it cold can weaken the stomach. The key is to combine it with a healthy lifestyle, drink enough water, get sufficient sleep, and limit spicy foods, alcohol, and fried dishes. Malabar spinach isn't a magic cure. It only works its best when your body is cared for properly and kept in balance. This wonderful green helps purify the body, lighten the liver's workload, and restore the skin's natural health and clarity. Many people say that eating Malabar spinach is like beautifying from the roots, and that's absolutely true. When your inside is clean, the outside naturally glows. That's what real beauty is. Beauty that comes from health, balance, and peace within. Dear friends, true beauty doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the simplest things around us are the most precious remedies for our body and skin. Malabar spinach is the perfect example, a humble plant that helps cool the body, detoxify the system, and quietly nourish your skin from the inside out. If you want naturally healthy, smooth, and radiant skin, make it a habit to eat Malabar spinach 2 to 3 times a week. Just one small bowl of soup each meal is enough to help cool the liver, cleanse the intestines, and nourish the skin from within. Pair that with applying the Malabar spinach, honey, yogurt, and turmeric mask 2 to 3 times per week, and you'll be giving your skin complete care, cooling, brightening, and strengthening all at once. Be gentle and patient. Your skin doesn't need drastic changes. It only needs consistent love and care. And always remember, true beauty begins with health and peace of mind. Sleep early, drink plenty of water, eat light, and keep a calm spirit. When your body is well, your skin will naturally glow and radiate vitality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue discovering more natural secrets to living well, living beautifully, and living peacefully every day. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you happiness, good health, and a radiant glow that shines brighter with each new day.